Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about my skincare. This is a highly requested video, and yeah, I'm just pretty much just gonna talk to you guys what products I use, my routine. I'm gonna throw in there some like other alternatives as well. So yeah, I'm not claiming to be like a skin expert, and I never suffered anything like acne before, so this is just the stuff that kind of works with my skin. Let's jump right into the video. At the moment, I don't have anything on my face. I washed my face this morning using the Ole Henriksen Daily Truth Cleanser. This one I've been trying out for about 2 weeks now, and I really love this product. It's a really gentle cleanser, it smells amazing, and it's also really brightening. So I use this in the morning when I shower. And then before this, I will show you guys the other cleanser that I use, which I am obsessed with, and it is probably my favorite cleanser, but the only reason I'm using this at the moment was because I ran out of this and this didn't arrive in time, but now I have more of this. So it's the Galenay Foamy Facial Cleanser for sensitive skin, and it has prebiotics and postbiotics for the skin. I'm just going to move that. But yeah, this is definitely my ultimate favourite cleanser. Super gentle, really good for sensitive skin, and it smells like yogurt as well, which, I don't know, it's kind of a nice smell. But yeah, this is actually my third bottle, and I go through this quite a lot, but only because me and Ollie kind of use it as well. Ollie also suffers with like really sensitive skin and acne scarring, but he really loves this product as well, so it's really good, really gentle on his skin. Really loving this at the moment for my daily cleanser, and there's so much product in here. There's 150 milliliters, and I literally just used the smallest pea size and washed my whole face, and yeah, it's such a great price point. So next we are actually going to be moving on to my glow pads. I use the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel. This is just the normal strength one, I believe. They do have an extra strength one. Because my skin is quite sensitive, I just use the normal ones, and I do this probably 2 to 3 times a week instead of every single day. So these pads come in 2 steps, and I'm going to be doing it right now. The first pad is Exfoliate and Smooth, and the second one is the Anti-Aging Neutralizer, and this one really gives my skin that lovely glow. So what you do is you take out the first pad and you rub it all over the face and avoid your eye area, and then I pretty much leave this on for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I go over it with the second pad. And I also do my neck as well. Leave this on for 5-10 minutes. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, I've left it on for about 5 minutes, and then I am just going to use the second pad. Yeah, just to kind of neutralize everything. I think the first time I did this, I scared myself because it was like a little bit of a tingly feeling, and I've just never had that from a product on my face before, so it freaked me out. But my friend said it was kind of normal if you are just starting out and your skin is a little bit sensitive. So yeah, that's why I kind of do it 2 to 3 times a week instead of every single day. But my skin has kind of built a tolerance to it. But yeah, I mean, my face just looks very glowy, dewy and brighter, I think. So after using the pads, I go in with a serum. I've pretty much cut down my skincare routine. It used to be so many products and it just took so much time. So now I just pretty much just go in with a serum and a moisturizer. That's pretty much it. Sometimes an eye cream, sometimes an oil. But yeah, today I'm just going to do serum and moisturizer. The serum that I have been using and have absolutely been loving is the La Mer Revitalizing Hydrating Serum. And you can see I've used half of it already, and I think I received this maybe like 2 months ago. But it's such an amazing product, and my skin absolutely loves this so much. My skin is quite dehydrated, even though I thought it was pretty hydrated, but I went to like a skin counter and they took a hydration test or something on my skin with this little electronic thing, and yeah, my skin was a little bit dehydrated. So ever since then I have just been gravitating towards anything hydrating. So that's why I also do face masks like 2 to 3 times a week as well. I actually just did a post on my blog as well on all my favourite face masks, so I'll link that down below for you guys. I know that this is a little bit pricey, so I'm going to recommend some other alternatives that I love. One of them being the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I do use this every single night, but sometimes I actually use it during the day as well, underneath foundation, because it just keeps your skin really hydrated throughout the whole day and it doesn't dry up the foundation when you wear it. That was like a tip that I got from an Estee Lauder makeup artist, and you can also mix this into your foundation as well if you don't want to wear it just underneath. And then the other serums that I really like is this Glossier one. It is the Glossier Future Dew. It's an oil serum hybrid. It's a really interesting consistency, but I really love this product too. I usually will wear this underneath my foundation. Other one that I love, I tend to use this more in the winter, but it's the Oskia Vitamin Super C serums, and it comes in these little like pods, and then you just break off the top. You apply the serum and then that's literally it, 1 pod per day. But yeah, I tend to use this more in the winter when there's not much sun out. So those are the serums that I love. And then now we move on to moisturizers. At the moment, again, I'm loving La Mer, and this is their moisturizing soft lotion. I used to use the one that comes in like the little pot, but that one unfortunately is a little bit too thick for me, even though like you do kind of like warm the product up in your hand first and then apply it. But yeah, I just found the consistency a little bit too thick, so I went with the soft lotion, which is definitely more like liquidy. A little bit more lighter as well. So much better on my skin. My skin drinks this product up, and I have not let Ollie use this one because he goes through moisturizer super quick, and I think he took 2 pots of La Mer off me pretty much. So yeah, this is definitely my favorite moisturizer at the moment that I'm using. Really nice, really hydrating, and it doesn't dry my skin out, it doesn't break my skin out. The other moisturizers that I also love is the Dr. Barbara Sturm facial cream. This one, you know, simple, straight to the point, really hydrating as well, very moisturizing. I've used quite a bit of it, so there's not much product left in there. I kind of switch between the La Mer one and Dr. Barbara Sturm, but I tend to use more of the La Mer one as well, but especially when I'm traveling I will take this one because it's a little bit lighter. And then now we move on to SPF. I tend to wear SPF most days, especially if I'm home and the sun is out, but especially today because we exfoliated the skin. We want to protect the skin because it's pretty sensitive right now. So the SPF that I'm going to be using today is the Estee Lauder Perfectionist Pro Multi Defense UV Fluid SPF 45, and you always need to use an SPF of 30 or higher for your face to really protect it. So I'm going to be using just a little bit of this. Another SPF that I love is the Glossier Invisible Shield one, because it does not leave any kind of like white residue on the skin, and it smells like lemon sherbet as well. I really like this product, but the only thing is just kind of like the white residue that it leaves, but I just haven't had time to order the Glossier one. So this is what I've been using. I also used the La Roche-Posay one, but again I gave it to Ollie and I don't know where he's put that. So yeah, that is my skincare routine. It's pretty simple and pretty straightforward. I used to have like a 10-step skin routine and it was just so time consuming, and I was just putting loads of other excess products on my skin that I really didn't need. Pretty much keep my skin routine pretty simple. So I cleanse the skin in the morning, and then I do a exfoliation pad 2 to 3 times a week, and then I go in with a hydration serum, and then I moisturize, and then I SPF. So literally just 5 steps. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys soon. Bye guys.